My name is AJ, one of the hosts here, and today we are going to take an in-depth look on the price of Bitcoin. Just a very, very quick look at the price of Bitcoin, look what has happened, what we have done in reaction to this big push towards the upside and then slight pullback, and then also what I am looking for in the future as well. So if that sounds interesting, please make sure you smash a thumbs up on this video and we will jump straight on into the charts. Just to let everyone know as well, we also have the website up and running as well, so please make sure you check the website out. Links will be in the description, sorry, and yeah, click join Bit Trading here. You get access to the courses and you get access to the Discord, where I'm sharing all of my insights into trading, such as my mindsets, the trades that I'm taking, all of that. Just to give you a quick example, this is what we're going to be talking about first, is this short entry that I entered in very late last night, early this morning. So as we can see, I put I am short into the Discord, and I told you why I was short as well. We were seeing an SFP of the buy side liquidity, and we were getting bear divs on the CVD, so it was looking like a perfect setup for me, and that is why I entered into a short position. So just to go over that once again, as we can see, we have this buy side liquidity level at approximately 31,474. We've actually swept this buy side liquidity before, and this is where we previously entered into a short position. So we can see that we actually swept this buy side liquidity here, and we did enter into a really, really nice short position back then as well. The entry for that was around $31,000. And that was a very, very successful short position, as you can see here, all the way down to this sell side liquidity. Yeah, this was the previous trade that we took before this current one that we are in right now. And if you remember, if you've been watching the videos, you will know that we were looking at a short entry from here. Unfortunately, all of the factors did not align. We front run the buy side liquidity on the smaller time frames, so unfortunately we couldn't take advantage of this pullback here, but that's fine. Okay, in my previous videos, I've been telling you that I'm waiting for these much bigger levels, okay? The bigger levels being these range high, this range high and this range low here, okay? And what has happened? Well, we've reached that range high. I've been very patient, waiting for this level. This is what trading is about, okay? You can't rush into trades. You have to be patient and wait for your levels, okay? We finally hit this buy side liquidity level, and what have we done? Okay, well, on this 8-hour chart, we've actually had an SFP of this buy side liquidity, just like we had an SFP of the buy side liquidity right here. Okay, we formed it right here. This was one factor in my decision making process on actually entering this short position. Okay, and then the other things that I was looking at was big bearish divergences across the board. Okay, on the CVD and the CVD and the CVD RSI as well. Also on the RSI, I don't tend to look at the RSI as much. I just tend to look at the CVDs, but it's also a good indication. So yeah, what we can actually see is that on both CVDs, we're getting big bearish divergences, as we can see here, higher highs on the price action chart and big lower lows on those CVDs. So that was enough confluence for me to actually enter into a short position, and that's exactly what I've done. So I entered into a short position at approximately $31,470. We can actually see the exact entry right here. Here we go. Exact entry was $31,471.50. As you can see, it's in a profit right now. As you can very clearly see here, this was the entry right here. It is in a very nice profit as of right now, roughly 9% in a profit. And yeah, that was a very successful trade. As I said at the start, I did let everyone know in the Discord that I am short, okay, and this is why I was short as well, okay, updating you on what I'm doing. And I was updating the team this morning as well, letting them know that this was a lovely short trade last night. And if we get accepted back into the range, we could be looking for a pullback to the POC, and a break of the POC could lead to a pullback to the value area low. Okay, so this chart is this chart right here, exactly the same chart. So what are we looking at? Well, we're looking at this this massive range. So we've had a deviation here, but for me, you know, this sweeping this buy side liquidity, getting that SFP, you know, it is a fairly bearish indication, telling us that we could be coming down to this value area high here. Okay, if we break below the value area high, okay, as in getting accepted back into the range, POC is that next level. Okay, so the value area high is at 30,834, POC is at 30,577 approximately. Okay, and then if we break the POC, okay, we're most likely going to come down to the value area low, where, okay, we have this big sell side liquidity down here, and then from down there, we could potentially be looking for a long position if all of the factors align. Okay, but right now we're in this short position because multiple factors have aligned. That confluence has aligned for me to enter into that short position late last night. And as you can see, it is paying off right now. So hopefully we can get that continuation towards the downside and this trade can continue to print. Okay, as of right now, it is in a really, really nice profit. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting for the price of Bitcoin. I am expecting a pullback. If we bounce off of the value area high, yes, there's a possibility that we can use that as support and then continue much higher. So we have to be aware of that, and I will be keeping the team updated over in the Discord. Again, if you want access to the Discord, make sure you come over to BitTrading UK, bittrading.uk. Link is in the description, and yeah, it will give you access to the Discord and the courses that we have for you as well. But yeah, if we use this value area high as support, if the price comes down to it, then the price could be looking bullish. Okay, we could be looking at a retracement to the value area high and then a big bounce towards the upside. Okay, so we've got to be aware of that. But if we do come down to that value area high, I will be taking profits off of this short position. Now, I wanted to take profits at 10%, but unfortunately, I just missed that 10% mark. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting to see if we can come down to 10% again, and I will take some profits off the table. And yeah, let the rest of the trade ride, probably take about 15%, let the rest of the trade ride, see if we can get that continuation towards the downside. As I said, if we get accepted back into the range, the fixed range, as in break below value area high, then we're going to POC, break POC, then we're most likely coming to value area low, where we could be potentially in the future looking for a long position down here if, as I said before, all the factors do align. Because if the factors don't align, then we could be seeing a big move towards the downside. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, if you know we've got all the factors that have lined here, so we've entered that short position, but if we use this value area high as support, we get that bounce, you know, lots of volume comes in, then we could have that continuation towards the upside. And what are the higher price targets that we are looking for if we do see this occur? Well, the higher price targets that we are actually looking for are from all the way back here. So this is from back in June 2022. These are the highs from these are the levels from back in June 2022 that we could be looking at the price coming to if this is a clear break of this this range that we are in. Okay, so these are the levels that we could be looking for. Okay, as we can see here, we have already tapped that $31,731, and we are getting a retracement from that. But if we can break above that, the next level we are looking for is $32,390 approximately. And you know, if we continue through that level, we get a break above that level, then without a doubt, you know, we could see 35,000 and then potentially a continuation up to 38, potentially $40,000. Okay, and that's when we can get really bullish. Okay, but right now, okay, we're still in this range for me. Okay, we've swept the buy side liquidity, so we're still within this range. Okay, and we could see this price coming back to value area high, break of that, POC, and a break of that will be value area low. So we're trying to take advantage of this price movement. But as I said, you know, I've let everyone know in the Discord what I am doing, letting them know my mindset behind every trade I take. And yeah, of course, proving to you that these trades are profitable, and I'm taking the trades as well, putting my money where my mouth is, and not just saying that I'm doing something and then completely not doing that. So I'm going to be 100% transparent with you, and that's what I have been doing over the past 2 weeks. Okay, we've made some very, very successful trades. Okay, so far we have been 100% profitable in the 2 weeks. Okay, that this Discord has been up 100% profitable, as we can see, taking some really, really nice profits here. So make sure you check that Discord out. As I said, link is in the description, takes you over to the website. Press join bit trading, gives you access to the courses and the Discord as well. So please take full advantage of that. But that's everything I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and please make sure you smash a like on this video. It really helps me out, really helps the channel out. We can grow this channel together. And yeah, any more updates I have for you, I will bring them to the channel. So please make sure you smash a like, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, guys. See you later.